we are from Madrid, and
We are watching Side Stage TV. I'm playing the game. Roll the dice.
okay. 4.
Well, if your last release could be a movie soundtrack, what movie will it be for? Jurassic Park, the new one.
Chin, 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 chin.
5.
If one of your songs was going to be being into space for aliens to hear, which song would you choose? What kind of aliens? It's important. Nah, friendly or not friendly?
Friendly.
Okay. Yeah, they'll have to listen to Wild.
4. Pick a color and a word to describe your song. Color green and word with.
Which song would you like to be played at your funeral? Fuck, man. Fuck, the end of the Doors.
Como en The Man on the
2.
Moon.
If you couldn't be a musician, what would you choose to be? An astronaut.
Hang out with you were gonna meet the other aliens.
No, I don't know. Maybe. I wish. Yeah, I don't know. I've always liked astronauts. I think they're like adventure.
Do you have any funny
What's that
or
one?
scene stories that
Lighter.
happened on tour? Share one.
Leonard just showed up out of nowhere. On camera.
Okay.
No.
When you be in the bar, in front of the bar of the, and another friend of us, like called David,
Yeah, it's
he
true.
was being too like, it was so fun.
Embarrassing.
Embarrassing.
I know.
That is hilarious.
Sorry, guy of the bar.
Jumanji.
The dice too. What was the worst advice given to your band?
No, I think like there was this guy who came to us and said, "Okay, I'll sign you, but if you change completely what you do," and we're like, "What the fuck?" If your band was a superhero, what superhero it will be? Yeah, what superpower?
Yeah.
Huh? How do you say mental control?
Yes.
We will like go to everybody and say like, yeah.
Buy your house.
Yeah.
Jesus is the answer. No, sorry. If you could hide under a table and listen to two people talking while having dinner, who would they be? Dos personas debajo, tú estás debajo de una mesa, ¿quiénes serían? ¿A quiénes escucharías? ¿Quién te molaría oír?
Natalie Portman with the Vendra.
Wow, the perfect couple. Pick a song that everyone should know about. Yeah, Sheer Mag, What You Want. It's a really good song to hear now. There's a song from a guy called Bones. The song is Dirt. It's from a few years ago, but not many people know it, and I think it's an awesome musician.
6.
Yeah, here.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Alejandro de Lucas.
Thank you.
See. Whoa!
You can answer to the last question with your prize.
Yes.
¿Quién
Do you
es?
know ginginha?
No.
It's a traditional alcoholic drink from Portugal.
Oh, thank you so much.
Sour cherry. My grandmother made it, and you won it.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's a really good present.
Don't
Okay, it's
share
only
with
for
us.
me.
Yeah.
For tonight. Okay.
You can share it
Thank
with
you very
us.
much.
You have
No, but
Improvise a song with these instruments.
I was alone. I was on my own. I was alone. And the fire so was lost fire, but it's born inside my head is low. I was alone. I'll be your man. I'll be your man. I'll be your man.